Hello, everybody. Hope you are doing well. My name is Dr. Abdul Adam, and I will be your instructor for the next 8 weeks in this completely online course. The course runs from June 30 to August 30. This course, semester 2, is called semester 2 research process. It is the second step in research methodology. It provides a starting point for students' research efforts. It takes a significant time commitment from this. I expected to spend at least 9 weeks, now 9 hours per week working on the material. While there is a significant amount of reading, I have worked to make it all enjoyable. It is for this reason I say again, I say the course will take at least 9 hours per week. My hope is that by the end of this course, you will have a new appreciation for the subject matter and will continue your education in the same subject. This course will help you to know the different types of research processes, identify the component of literature review process, understand the meaning of design samples, understand the methodology relevant to the collection of accurate secondary and primary data. And at the end, we need to comprehend the importance of and approach to conducting a critical review of literature relevant to the chosen topic. This course is called semester 2 research process. The second step, as I said, is research designed to use first year students, irrespective of their discipline, to understand and learn what research is all about and how research processes are started and completed. It provides a starting point for the students' research efforts. It is divided into six sections, and each chapter or section is followed by a non-rated, without marks, non-rated quiz, and rated assignment. You should first download the material for the chapter section and exercise. So you should answer the quiz question, and also you should do study assignment which is given a mark and send it to me, the teacher, via my email. After the research process consist of 10 steps, which means that in order to conduct research, you should follow the following processes. The first one is formulating a research problem. You need a problem. You need to doubt about something. You doubt about something. You need to prove it. And a second step, a second process it is called extensive literature review, which means that you are supposed to read and read some material concerning the problem, what people said and what people found. Then you should develop your hypothesis. You should understand, you should find a solution to the problem that you doubt about. And after that, you should prepare the research design and determine the sample design, collecting your data, you analyze data. At the end, you test your hypothesis. Is it right or wrong? What you have proposed as solution, is it right or wrong? These research process are forced throughout the following chapters or the following sections. The first section of the chapter is called entitled Formulating the Research Problem. The second section or second chapter is called Extensive Literature Review. Then we have developing the hypothesis, then preparing the research design and examining the sample design, then collecting and analyzing the data, and the last one is testing the hypothesis. Starting with the first one, uh, formulating the problem, which is divided in from a subsection. And the first one, you introduce the subject. It is about what exactly what people will gain from learning this start of this section, we try also to define the research problem. And here we can explain what is a theoretical and what is a practical problem. Then you have to know about the problem. Is it really a problem or not? How do you know? And why you think it's important? Then you should specify the concept and the background. How do you know that this is a real problem or not? How? Then you should specify the relevance of the problem. Is it really a problem or not? The second chapter, second section deals with the literature review, means that what it is also divided in some subsection. The person will uh, explain the subject matter that you are supposed to study, then what you are supposed to gain from learning this chapter, this section. After that, you need to define the concept of literature review. You will also specify the type of literature review, and there are some types like argumentative review. It will define the integrative review and historical review, methodological review, systematic review, theoretical review, and after that we move to defining or explaining the objectives of literature review. And last one, there is an example sample of this literature review to be shown to you as an example. After that, we move to chapter 3 or section 3 is developing your hypothesis. It's also divided into some subsections, starting with introducing the subject and giving some insight concerning what you are supposed to learn to gain at the end of this section, this section. In this section, we define what is a hypothesis, what are the main objectives of having hypothesis, and how to develop a good hypothesis, also how to formulate an effective hypothesis, what are the main advantages of a good hypothesis, and also you are supposed to be given examples of such hypothesis. Chapter 4, which is the longest one, is divided into two some subsections, preparing the research design and determining the sample design. It's also divided into some subsection, then some units, starting with introducing the subject chapter, then give you some insight concerning what you are supposed to gain as knowledge from learning this chapter. We start first by defining what is research design, what are the main objectives of research design, what are the decisions which should be taken in order to develop research design, and how to prepare the research design. After that, we move to another subsection, which is determining the sample design. Here we are to specify first thing, as the first, you define what is a sample design, and you specify the types of sample designs. There are sometimes 8 types, starting with the first one, deliberate sampling, simple random sampling, uh, stratified sampling, total sampling, cluster sampling, and cluster sampling, area sampling, multi-stage sampling, sequential sampling. These samples are conducted really the time, okay, in order to make you know and understand the whole process. Chapter 5 is collecting and analyzing data is also divided into two some subsections, collecting data and analyzing data. You start by introducing a subject and defining the objectives after at the end of learning is what you are supposed to gain from learning this chapter. Then we need to defining the data and proposing or highlighting the type of data collection, defining survey and the type of survey, and also analyzing. The second step is analyzing data. Also, we have to define what is data analysis and what are the main operations conducted by feeding data analysis. Chapter in last chapter 6 is testing. Also, in this chapter, we try to improve the stuff by introducing the subject, then giving some insight concerning what we are supposed to gain at the end of this learning, this learning outcome after learning this chapter. We define what is hypothesis testing and what is the importance of testable hypotheses. What are the main types of hypotheses? For example, we have the null hypothesis and we have the alternative hypothesis. Then how to test hypotheses, and we'll be given an example of hypothesis testing in order to make you understand the whole process, how to start and how to end. And why do you think why the hypothesis testing is so popular in this? At the end of uh, this course, you will be able to know the different types of discussion sessions. You identify the components of literature review. You can understand the meaning of design samples. You can also understand the mechanism relevant to the selection of accurate and secondary and primary data. Also, you comprehend the importance of conducting a critical review of data relevant to the student topic. Thank you so much for your attention. Goodbyes are not forever. Goodbyes are not the end. They simply mean I miss you until you leave. Thank you so much.